Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the name of the labels on the Invoice Maker and PDFGenerator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down to the invoices section and tap on labels. Here you can find a bunch of labels that you can change the name of, so just simply tap on the relevant one and delete the name of it and type in your own name to which you would like to change it for. So just simply select the relevant label and type in the new one. If you are done, just simply tap on this settings button to go back, and if you want to reset the original form, just tap on the reset button and everything will be set to the original and default label. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.